All right, let's talk about the strong levels, the battle plans, battle plan buddy, holding runners. Those are going to be kind of the topics we're talking about this morning. So as you can tell, I'm still long from battle plan 2 here. So these levels are right here. These horizontal lines you see here are called our strong levels. It is an indicator you get right up here, and the date is the previous Sunday. Okay, so this was 2 days ago. And you turn that on or off, and it puts those horizontal lines on your chart. These are the levels I think are the most important levels going into the week, okay? I map out where I am interested in going long and where I'm interested in going short. On this battle plan, I only posted I was only interested in longs. This was the first opportunity presented to us. So we got in long here for people who were trading the Asia session there, and then you get a news pop, okay? So, I'm not going to say my battle plan created this news pop, but it put us to be in the right location to where if you get some sort of gasoline move, right, some sort of news, it just explodes out of there. I'm really glad I took the first ladder here. You got the second opportunity here. You'd had to front run that just a little bit to get into this entry here, off this strong level, but it did get really close to presenting it. This is the drop zone we were looking for here, that if a person was interested in shorting, that's where they could have shorted. I know at least one trader who actually took that trade because they probably missed their entry here. No big deal. We know where we're interested in going long and where we're interested in going short. You get in that move, and when you get this strong pop like this, I got long here, but that doesn't match the price that is on my DOM here. Right? It's not matching that price. So what did I do? Well, I got long 2 contracts here. When we got that massive pop, I added to my contract when it popped above that with a vengeance. Price ran up here. I moved 2 stops here, and I captured, I took off 2, and then I kept this single runner back. And the way Trade of 8 does it is it goes by your last entry. So it shows that my entry was 96. In my mind, I know this is where I'm at because I took off in my mind my add-on and then a single contract and kept a single contract back. And that's what I did there. Now, how are these strong levels behaving here? Well, you get another news candle here. Well, when you get a news candle, well, good luck any level holding. It's just, that's the nature of trading right now with the war and oil. It's just crazy right now. And get that monster move there. And if you're long like I am there, you're just super, super happy. But let's look at the strong levels. I mean, these things are doing really, really well, okay? This is 200 points, up from yesterday. And these levels are just performing really, really nice. And we use these strong levels to craft our battle plan trades. In fact, let me turn on last night's battle plan. After a 200-point move and the half back of the big vomit we had, I did map out a short here that if a person wanted to take it, the apex of that short was here. The first time it got into the drop zone, let's just go over here, was here. But right there at the end of the day, how do you take that trade? You don't. So if I was going to take this trade and you made me, I would have taken the apex of this trade with my stop just on the other side of the strong level. It certainly had a little bit of a move in, nothing to write home to mama about. And you have to know that for this move, you're counter. For this move, you are counter. But bears do still control, in my humble opinion. This was just a really beautiful short covering rally. And what does the markets do? Markets tend to get overly short, overly short, overly short. And we're waiting. We're waiting. And we trade the edges. The edge is our edge. And we wait for those edges. That's the purpose of the battle plan. And the battle plan buddy, just to talk about that really quick, what that does is it's an application that you put on your computer. It hovers above everything, and it will give you the battle plan notes. So if I hit number 2, those are the notes for battle plan number 2. If we've got a speculator special, it's right here. When there's news events, it's right here. This is based on your time zone. So this is called your battle plan buddy because it works hand in hand with the indicator that puts the price map on your chart right here. Puts the price map on your chart for you. And then the strong levels are also placed on your chart. And then the battle plan will remind you of the notes that are associated with each battle plan. And the battle plan is unlocked every Monday for you to go look at. Trade with us live every Tuesday. Check us out. And if you're looking for an MES Futures trading room with a very nice system, check us out at microstrader.com.